Hey guys, it's Paul here, and today we're looking at the LAVEVE weed barrier fabric for landscape. So I installed this in my front yard to prevent the weeds because the weeds were just getting out of control every single year. And it comes with these pegs that you just use a hammer or something to hit them down into the ground, and it keeps the landscape fabric from moving around. I've had it for a year, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like in the front yard. Alright, so this is the area I put the weed barrier on, as you can see in the rocks here and this area, and it's kept out the weeds very well. It's been about a year. As you can see here, I did not put the weed barrier here, and you can see a lot of weeds growing up. It comes with pegs, so I'm going to show you here. So this is the area with no weed barrier. And then as you can see, it transitions to the area where I put the weed barrier, and there's no weeds at all. And then I just cut out a little hole for this tree, and it's planted by the weed barrier underneath. And this whole rock area has the weed barrier underneath as well. And there's no weeds there. It's been about a year, so it's doing pretty well. So this is what that weed barrier looks like, the material. Here, this is what it's kind of shiny, and it has this line here across, so it's easier for you to cut and kind of plant your plants in a specific row. So yeah, hope that helps you, give you an idea of what it looks like and how it works. I hope this helps you in preventing weeds in your yard, and thanks for watching.